Alright, we're back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax. We're continuing the playthrough. Factorio Space Exploration. Just checking out the vitamin launch extract being produced. Been running full blast pretty consistently now that we have enough rocket fuel, and the two rockets are keeping up with the demand. This is about 40 per second of the vitamin launch processing. And I decided to, instead of just shoving everything into the recycling, which would then eventually just burn the wood over here, I decided to just do it locally and just turn all the wood and process fuel that we are building in excess from doing the vitamin launch processing, and just I built this little contraption to burn the fuel, turn it into steam, turn the steam to water, vent the water into nothingness to get rid of it. And yeah, it was pretty a significant amount of wood, and this power plant doesn't really get used that much. I mean, it makes all the fuel for all the trains still, so maybe the trains do eat enough. But this was kind of a lot. It was kind of a lot. I think it was 3 wood a second, so that's 6 megawatts. And then the process fuel was another 3 times 2, something like, yeah, 15 to 20 megawatts of power coming out of this. So I don't know if all the trains even consume that much, so just got rid of it. It was easy. Let's just get rid of it. I think we're still, oh, we're finally in space. There we go. Hey. Good. We're in space. We've been working on the bioscience build, and we got all the things ready pretty much. We just have to make sure we get some methane, and we want to redo it so that it's like methane. So this this has to be redone. Because I switch it back to the methane recipe. So, but you can still go here, yes. Just go here. Let's do this. This works too. Oh my gosh, I don't want that. Whoa. Still got my crazy one on. I don't want that. Okay, so what do we need to do to get methane? Well, we could do what we normally do and just put it on a rocket, send the rocket home, put the methane on the trains, bring the trains on this rocket, bring it up here. That would be the easy thing to do. But what we could also do for fun is try to use a spaceship. Why not, you know? So the idea is we could automate the spaceship actually, and use these clamps. So we need this signal to tell the spaceship where to clamp. So you've noticed that when we fly back to Novice, it will automatically clamp, and it's because we have this signal telling it to anchor to clamp 1 on the left. And what we can do is also hook this system up so we can actually connect to the clamps. And then technically, I think this is technically there all the time. This wire will break when we leave, I think, but and then we can make some logic. So let's consider logic being out here, and let's consider having some chests. Let's see, where would be the most convenient place? I mean, this one would be very good. Let's move this to here. And let's clear this all out. And take all this stuff, put it over here. Well, the bots will do it, I guess. So let's have this one. And what we'll do is actually ask for the methane ice like it's a logistics item, right? And we'll get the bots to bring us the methane ice. Okay. So we should see, okay, it doesn't really have anything in it, so if I put these lamps in, we should see the lamps maybe, right? So put this, if I put this here, yeah, let's put that there. Yeah, we have the lamps, that's good. So basically what we want to say is we want to use this thing to decide whether or not we should go. And maybe I'll have one more. I have one more special one, I think, in case we want to make it more complicated, but we don't necessarily want to right now. And generally they'll just be like, okay, so you'll be like, if green signal is equal to just 1, output launch. So this was a signal that will tell the spaceship to launch. Spaceship launch 1. And here we'll put all the things we want to do. So we want to tell the spaceship to go somewhere, and how we do that is we're going to give it a destination, and we can do that by saying asteroid belt, and we need an ID number. So let's go look the star map and call this asteroid belt 1. See, it has an automation signal, which is asteroid belt 933. So that's what we need here, is the number 933. And that will tell it what to do. And here we're going to say if methane ice is less than or equal to 0, output, then we would just output everything. So that will transmit the signal through and tell it where to go. And is this how we want to do it? Or no, I think we want to do it. Yeah, let's do it like, no, not this, but output everything. And then you will have the spaceship launch command as well. That's the launch command. And then, yeah, so then we can have multiple checks. So we might say also do water ice. So if we also did say water ice, let's do this. Put this combinator over there. We still want this spaceship clamp one. And then, yeah, so we can also get water ice. Let's do water ice too, why not? Water ice. You also asked for 8,000, sure. Yes. So then actually, we would want it like this then. Okay. Oh, rad, okay. Alright, so it's getting the input signals. If it gets the green, and then this is essentially an OR, so we want to say if it's greater than or equal to 1. So if either of these cases is true, if the water ice is equal to 0, output the green signal, or if that was a methane ice. This is the water ice, right? Methane ice Water ice less than or equal to 0. Output the green with a 1. So then now the green signal is not going to the right place. These need to go, so let's flip these backwards. That makes more sense. There, and then now we have the green. Oh, we launched. Okay, we did launch. Oh, and then we came back. And then we launched again. Okay, maybe then... I don't know why we keep going back and forth. The other thing is that... oh my gosh, I can't... okay, it's off. It's changing too fast. I think if we put this... What we also want this thing to say is just go. Go as fast as you can. This is a speed signal. So we should get the destination, right? So we should see... Okay, let's turn this on. Should see the 933. We keep going back to novice. Asteroid belt, spaceship launch. I thought this would work. Destination. I mean, obviously we shouldn't have to set that, but you're anchored 50K. Something wrong? Oh, you have some water ice. Input signal is green. I thought this worked. I thought that was right. Asteroid belt. 933. Let's see. Do we have to have it like on all the time? I'm just gonna put it here as well. 933. So okay, launch. We should definitely go now, right? Okay, it started going, but now you have 933. So do we have to actually remember? I didn't think we had to. I thought it was. I mean, now we're still going. Why is it struggling? Is it struggling? It's fine. Alright, looks like it's working a little bit. I'm hoping we don't need to have it keep track of where it's going, because I thought it did work. Like this. But hey, the spaceship, it's pretty reliable now. It's yeah, especially just making a trip to the asteroid belt. Not even running it out of power, really. Not quite reaching max speed somehow. But, you know, hey. Alright, so hopefully then when we get to the asteroid belt, we can figure this out. I hope it works. I don't know if... Shouldn't be that these are messing it up, right? Actually, these don't need to be... We don't want these connected to this, right? We don't want that, yeah. Maybe that was messing it up? I don't know. Okay, we're here. Okay, we have to anchor manually. So I think the point will just be to be like, just go here, somewhere right here-ish, sure. Should be fine. And we'll put some of the space scaffolding down. Gosh, why didn't I have a tool belt with space scaffolding on it? Just kidding. I hope we have some. No, we definitely do. So then we'll put a clamp here. Okay, and then it's still ID1. That's good. That's good. ID1, ID1. Let's just go down to here, like it's a actual walkway. So that looks pretty good. And let's just then we want to make get some methane ice here. Oops, like this. We need the space loaders. There we go. And we'll just have the bots deliver it. That's the idea. Give us water ice too, bots. So let's then try again with this spaceship logic. Let's go back and look at the hub. Let's take, we need some accumulators down here. Accumulators. Substations? Okay, there you go. Oh, I think there was a loop in it, wasn't there? Yeah, I think that's what was happening. Okay, let's put these back down. We're in the same kind of thing where these guys are monitoring the green wire and then we feed back the red wire. Yeah, because I think what was happening was the green wire and the red wire were interfering before and somehow it was getting mixed signals. And so you're going to be something else. You're actually going to say go back to novice orbit, planet orbit. I don't know which one it is. Let's go look. Novice orbit is 914. Okay, planet orbit 914. Boom. And this time you're going to say we want to make sure you're the same, but you're going to be different. You're going to say methane ice greater than, no, wait, what? Wait. Off, turn off. What are you doing now? Oh. Wait, no, you should be fine. Okay. Methane ice greater than 8,000. Greater than or equal to, I guess. And you're going to be water ice. Same thing. So we want, I think, both conditions to be true. So then we'll say if the green signal is greater than or equal to 2, output the commands. Okay, and then that will hopefully set the destination and tell us to launch. And yes, so we see the signals. That's good. Those are fine. So we're just waiting for this to fill up. Can maybe help it out a bit. Go faster. Okay, but I don't want to get left behind now. Okay, and then here. Go faster. Okay, now we're should be okay, we don't quite have enough still. So you're green. You're both green. One. Everything's green. This turns on. Launch. Go. Did it go? No. This was working before. 914? Oh, that's why. It was 1. Okay, okay, that was why. This just doesn't say, it just needs to not say 1, it needs to say input count. That is why, that is why, that is why. Yes. Okay, that is why. Orbit. Alright, we have that one. Launch. There you go. Launch. Okay, 914. Okay. Yes. There we go. That was why. So yes, I think, yeah, because we were overriding the number, so I had the wrong ID, so I didn't know what to do. Yeah, so it needs to say input count and not 1. This way the 933 gets through. Yeah. Cool. Okay, so then we should then have we technically now have methane ice and water ice automated for space at least, and so we could say like turn this into a requester. So let's like fill this up with let's let it fill up. So that's what, 2,000, 4,000. So we'll turn this into a requester and ask for some amount less than that much. And then I think we'll just request the water ice. I mean the methane ice. Can it go anywhere? I guess we could just do it like this. Okay, let's do it like this, whatever. I need a long inserter. And we'll just tell it to like, you know, ask for a ton. Just give me a huge buffer of it. Methane ice. You know, we can put like 8,000 on the whole chest, so let's just go for it. Just get it all. This will also make sure our automation's working. So we'll do that, and let's see, we'll do this, and then we'll just say, give me 2,000. So this way, it'll just start working once this runs out. We started mining through a bit of it now. I want to put a big mine here now. Can I? Hey, we're back. We're back. Let's get some roboports over here. We should see then some bots coming to, you know, grab this stuff. Bots, are you coming? Oh. Yes. No, wait. I know why. You have to go like this. Request from buffer chests. Request from buffer chest. There we go. Bots. Get to work. Hey. Got the spaceship automated. Water ice and methane ice. Just pulling it off the spaceship. This is great. Did we, what? Oh, did we really spend that much ion stream? I think every time we launch we spend like, I think most of the ion stream we spend is just from launching. So we probably just, yeah, we spent a lot of ion stream, oh well. It's so cheap, it's just like extremely cheap, so no worries, like. So, I mean, it's like one, you get 100 from 1 copper, 1 stone, and then you only need 10 chemical gel for 100. So that means 5 cosmic water and 50 petroleum gas for 100 ion stream. So it's really cheap, honestly, yeah. Cool. Methane ice. Heading over. We got now this going. Okay, nutrient vat. Nutrient gel going. Methane ice going. Let's hook this back up. We need you back. We need you back. Let's just get rid of all the... Should we just get rid of them all? Oops. Yeah, that's fine. We don't really need this. Let's just ditch this stuff. Don't want that. We have now the positive feedback loop going, I'm pretty sure. So let's now like go back through and deal with some of these things. So we're gonna make biosludge barrels, yes. Biosludge, that's lubricant. Biosludge. Biosludge. Wow, we finished the science. Wow, it's crazy. I mean, I guess do the next one. I don't know. Just hold off on science. We don't need any more. Okay. So then, let's see. You need to... Let's pull off the biosludge barrels. Just accumulate them, sure. I mean, we just want them. And... I should probably, like, do some check that this is greater than something before I do that, but... It doesn't matter, because I guess we could always revamp the... I mean, we're just putting them in barrels. We can always unbarrel them. Bots, stop crashing. Okay, so then now, have we made this stuff yet? Let's see, what's going on? We get the nutrient vat. Is it on the bus? Yes. Or this is nutrient vat, yeah. Then do we have the bioculture? No, because we need the spice, yes. Okay, so we need spice. Yes, we need to then set up the rocket. So let's go change this very quickly to... What do we want to do? Say 800. Wait, not like that. Yeah, like this? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Is this right? 400? No, let's get more than that. Okay, so it's 12,000 spice. That's pretty standard sounding. Okay, special science, then we want to set up a new one. So let's just do this one then. Then get held mod open. Alright, so let's get the extract going. Extract spice. Stone. I mean, it's like such a tiny amount of stone. Why even bother? Lubricant barrels, right? And glass. Just all very small quantities. Iron plate. And then the methane ice we have. And I think everything else is taken care of. So that's pretty simple actually. We probably have everything but the spices, of course. How are the spices looking? Vita melange. Still cranking it out. Yep. I haven't quite saturated here. Nothing looks like it's slowing down though. Got plenty of Vita melange. Let's see if... Oh, it did just come. I was going to say, is it about to come? And I think we just saw it land. There it is. So, yeah, still pumping it out. That's great. So then we should see it come on the train network pretty soon. Then, let's see, we don't... So we can get rid of the coal. And let's leave the coal off. So just pull off the coal, please. Okay, and just get rid of it, it's fine. Or, well, whatever. Yeah, the train will take it. That's what I thought was going to happen, actually. Let's see. Probably want to just, like, make sure there's some couple of empty barrels on the thing. Then we need the things that we just said. Iron and glass already there. And we need the spices and the Vitamelange stuff, so let's get that stuff. So this is only spice. So let's get, 1,000 spice over here, sure, whatever. And we'll put the spice on the sushi belts. Save this many. And the extract will go to the science. Then, was there anything else we need? We need data cards, we need thermofluid. So let's get that stuff. Thermofluid. Let's get data cards. We need stone, lubricant, and that's it, because the methane ice is coming via bot. So we'll get some stone, don't need too much. Get some lubricant barrels. That should work, that should work. Let's, you know, do the rest of this then. Let's see, there was like some stone. There was like some lubricant barrels. There were, let's do 10. There was thermofluid. There was chemical gel there saying stone, spice. Anything else? Oh yeah, the data cards. A lot of them. Those are looking good. Biomass will go on. Okay, so you need to say, let's see, is biomass a resource? Is it science? Where does biomass live? Hey, did the spaceship leave? It did. So that sound was a spaceship leaving. Automated. So it should hopefully have 0 methane ice. Yes. Yes. Automated spaceship. Of course, we have tons of water ice. Great. Making your way out there. Awesome. And then I'm guessing you're basically full. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what else we need to get going for this to work. Let's start going around. Okay, you need to say catalog. Then catalog. You're fine, you're fine. Okay, you need junk. Oh, gotta get rid of the junk data cards. It's gonna be, we didn't recycle those. Can we fit that in? Maybe. So which ones are this? This is the biomechanical data. Plasma. What's wrong with you? You don't have the stone yet? Stone should be here now, though. There it goes. There's a plasma. There you go. Looking for biomass. Wait, your biochemical data. Oops. Biocombustion data, I mean. And then your biomechanical. I need the wires. Say also biomechanical, please. Okay, these are good. You have to put, let's see. You need 2 things. Alright, I don't know. These ones are, so you need the, what is it called? Genetic data and the bioculture. Okay. Genetic data. This one is recycling genetic data, so you need priority, so I'm going to make you like 50. And bioculture. I don't know where all the, is it down here? Where's all that stuff? Hello? What happened? Okay, try again. Bio. Okay, it's in there. Okay, yeah. Bioculture. Makes sense. It's here. Why didn't I see it? Okay, there it is. Bioculture. Yes. Okay, genetic data, and you need junk data cards. Yikes. It's like you. So maybe we do want to try to squeeze in junk data cards. So you're, what, contaminated? Contaminated scrap. Yes, yes, okay. Wow, we're making it. You're also contaminated scrap. You're also contaminated scrap. Great. You eat all the contaminated scrap, but you make scrap. So put the scrap back. Normal scrap. Let's see, so this means we want to, right now, we need to pull off scrap. And we need to pull off junk data cards. We don't really do anything with them right now. We need to maybe deal with them later, somewhere. I guess we could just take them to the science lab. Okay, so we'll do that. That makes sense. Alright, so then you just need the biomass now. Biomass. It must be here. There it is. Biomass. Biomass. I'm happy with 50. You don't have the wires. You're good. And you're the biochemical data. Okay, 20. You're good? Is everything good then? Maybe? That'd be crazy. Feels crazy for everything to be good at this point. Okay, I think we're just waiting then on the spice and such. Did you get to the rocket? You're on the rocket, yes. 486. 486 is good for me. Go ahead. So that should send the spice up, and then let's now go through and look. Let's see. Yeah, you need spice, you need genetic data. Genetic data. Okay, you're just stuck. Okay, that makes sense. There you go. Genetic data. Okay, but then again, we want this one to recycle it. So you want to be slightly lower. So we'll just do 30. Okay. But it's kind of like a... Oh no, it's not that bad. Junk. Yes. Okay. Did the spaceship come back? It did. Hey. Full of methane ice. Would you look at that? Good job, spaceship. Okay, so then let's keep going. We are almost there. We are almost there. Got tons of biosludge. These things are fine. Okay, then what's wrong with you? You're waiting on... Okay, you got some genetic data. You're just waiting on spice. You need the spice. You're working. You need spice. Everything's just waiting on spice. I hope. Everything's waiting on biomass, which is waiting on spice. Or which is waiting on bioculture as well. Which is also waiting on spice. Yikes. Okay. It looks like things are going to work, though. Could you believe that? Can you believe that's possible? Is it possible? Thermofluid's good. Tons of methane ice. Spice has arrived. Spice it up. Spice it up. Getting spiced. We need more genetic data. Which one needs biosludge? Why don't you have biosludge? Because I barreled it all? Oops. Let's hold off. Whoops. Let's hold on that, off on that for a sec. Let's do this thing again. But unbarrel it. Do this. Get rid of the barrels. Well, they're all over here too. Give me these. Alright, there we go. Just go. Just eat it, please. Gotta get this feedback loop going, which needs the genetic data. Now we're just waiting on data cards. We don't have data cards? No, they're here. Okay, yeah, being slow. Okay, we need a lot more data cards, I guess. Okay, genetic data, it needs to be higher numbers, I think. Let's try 60, and then you'll be like 100. Okay, just data cards are holding us back. Okay. So you're going now. Okay, biocultures are on the bus, and you're getting them. Biomass is going. Hey, we just need bigger numbers. I think we just need bigger numbers here. Let's do 60 again. Biomass. Let's do 80. We need a lot of that. Okay. 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 Alright, VATs. Let's get more VATs on. Just the throughputs are pretty high, I think. Hey. Hey. Looks like it's going. We got all the combustion data. We got the chemical data. We got mechanical data. We got genetic data. The mechanical data is just working its way around. And we should see this start to work here, actually. Any second. Sooner some mechanical data makes its way around the sushi belt. Look at it go. It's coming to life. Okay, we shouldn't have to do this anymore. I guess there's no choice. Let's do this. Let's leave it there, but turn it off. I think somehow I want to like put some logic on this, maybe. Hey, getting biological catalog. Biological catalog. Very good, very good. Give it to me. 200, please. And then we can just go bring it over here. Bloop. Catalog. And we need extract. I think that's all we need, right? Everything else is like pretty much the same. Yes. So let's do it. Let's add it. Yet another. And hello. Biological. That's fine, that's fine. Let's get you to ask for the junk data cards. Bum bum bum. Give me junk data cards. If you have them. And put them on the bus. Great. And let's see. You don't have power. How do you have power? Oh, from here? Okay, well. That's fine. And you need the cold. Just come bring the cold around. Hey. No, that's material. Not material. Biological, please. Go have all this stuff again. Have this. Have this. Okay, do you have this? We're waiting on the extract, I think. Hopefully this is it. No, no, it's not it. You did ask for it now, right? Extract. You have some. You have it? Okay, good. Then we need to change one of you. Let's change you to this one. And we'll just do it like this for now. Just want to see some biology science get produced, hopefully. Oh wait, we need to, yeah, well, we'll have to wait for the insights to get here probably. I'm just gonna grab some though. How many do we have now? Do we have any? 33? Yes. There you go. Biological insights. They're churning out. Things are happening for sure. I don't know if the throughput is good enough, but we can keep playing with it. So then let's just pretend like a train load of insights just came. Chugga chugga, I'm a train. And you should say, yes, you need to also say this. Insights, 20, extract, 80. Wowza. Extracts, insights, catalog. Are we there? Some extract, some insights coming? No, because you have to be like this, this and this. Go. Hey, boop, boop. Biological Science Pack 1. Woo! Hey, got all of the sciences. What a milestone, what a milestone. Let's check out our base. Let's just appreciate our base. We chill on the sushi belt. My goodness. Got our biological sciences up and running. It's definitely not full blast. Definitely need to maybe work some kinks out in terms of the numbers. At least these are going. They're going. This is going. It looks actually like pretty good. Things are just backed up. I think the genetic data is going to be an issue. But then, yeah. Material science is working hard. All the recycling in the world. Looking good. I think you're just backed up. Astronomic science is working really hard. We just did so much astronomic science is still going. Got plenty to do here. This one's a very cool build. Energy science is going, humming along. This one's very colorful too. The buildings look really cool. Going strong, almost saturated though. Nice. Well then, yes, I think, whew, what an episode. Got biological science. We've automated our spaceship to bring us methane ice and water ice from the asteroid belt. And yeah, we finally finished all of the biological, all of the tier 1 of the specialty science, specialist science. Kind of chilling with our goofy train network here with our two-way trains and our multi-way junctions. These junctions are actually really strong. I think these two-way train junctions are so easy. You saw how easy it was to just like say, oh yeah, I don't want barrels anymore, I don't want coal anymore. Suddenly the station just became a provider. And then I was like, oh, I need to get rid of the junk data cards. Let's just pull them over here. Yeah, it's really nice. I kind of like this. I like these hybrid provider requester stations. It's pretty cool. So we'll see if we can keep this up. I think we will have to upgrade the train network soon and make it a little bit more scalable. I'm glad. I think there hasn't been any bottlenecks, even though I still think some are possible, but just would be very rare. It would be very rare, I think. I think like it could be possible that all 3 trains like want to go from here to here, and one wants to go from here to there. Yeah, it could happen, but it hasn't happened, so we're doing it. It's fine. Nice, but we have biological science now, and soon enough we'll have to start working in the next tier and stuff like that, but we'll save that for later. So we'll call it for today's session. There you go, Factorio. I am Pax. See you next time.